Tesla owners are hiding something massive from you, and it's not what you think. I'm Om Vinayak Gupta, and after talking to dozens of Tesla owners, here's what they're not telling you. First secret, that autopilot everyone brags about. Most owners are too scared to actually use it. They paid 15 grand for a feature they barely trust. Second bombshell, those supercharger stations, half the time they're broken or occupied, so you're stuck waiting 30 minutes just to charge. Imagine that on a road trip. But here's the kicker. Tesla's over-the-air updates can actually make your car worse. One owner told me his range dropped 20% after an update. 20%! And don't get me started on the service centers. Some people wait months for basic repairs because Tesla controls everything. The biggest secret though? Most Tesla owners would still buy another one despite all this. Why? Because once you go electric, gas cars feel like driving a dinosaur. Drop a comment if you're thinking about getting a Tesla. I'll tell you what to really expect. And smash that like if this shocked you as much as it shocked me. Drop a comment if you want a deep dive. Subscribe for more.